Meaning of dogfight.
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 Dogfight. Dogfight is a term used to describe a close aerial combat between military aircraft. It originated during World War I, when pilots would engage in close-range air battles similar to those fought by dogs. The result of a dogfight is often determined by the pilot's skill and the capabilities of their respective aircraft. The outcome can range from one aircraft shooting down the other, to both planes being damaged or destroyed, or even a mutual disengagement due to lack of ammunition or damage sustained during the fight.